fever, so I had to look at her crazy like, baby, you bugging, 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 Back in the day, I met this little baddie confessing that she got a fetish. Walked in a room on the wall, got a view of the city like, damn, baby, this shit impressive. Moment of clarity, she looked at me as I'm staring. She looked like a Christmas present. Shrug on my shoulders, I told her, damn, baby, you grown. I guess I'm an investment. Hold up, this girl said that dinner's on me. She got me bugging. She on my zelly and now to turn into a freak. She got me bugging. Old school money, like, damn, baby, you know my king. She got me bugging. She working hard every day, let me show you why you meant for me. She got me bugging, she got me bugging, 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 baby, you bugging, bugging.